Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm May from the May Review team. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, a brand new product. Now, hold up a second, before we dive in, I want you to do me a solid favor. Check out the full review I've put together for you. Discover everything you need to know about this product, what it actually is, its awesome features, a detailed guide on how to use it, how to turn it into an income stream, and of course, my personal experience with it. I also include the product pricing and discount coupons with all the additional upgrade offers, so you don't need to go anywhere else to get the information. Wait, we're not done yet. As a big thank you to all my valued viewers, and especially to those who choose to grab this product through my website or this video, I've lined up a treasure trove of mind-blowing bonuses. Trust me, they're totally worth it. They will help with your online marketing career. You'll find all the details at the end of the product review article on my website. Just follow that link in the description and prepare to be amazed. And hey, if you want those exclusive bonuses to be yours, send me a message to bonusesfromme@gmail.com. I promise to deliver them within a lightning-fast 24 hours. Alright, let's get started exploring the product.